Welcome to my channel, Cyber Network. Hey everybody, Linus here. Kali Linux 2024.2 just dropped, and it's packed with cool new stuff. This isn't just some boring update, we're talking about tools to make your digital life better. Whether you're a seasoned security pro or just starting out, this guide will walk you through downloading and installing Kali 2024.2, step by step. Don't worry if you're not a Linux pro, I've got you covered. Ready to dive in? Let's go. So, what's got me so pumped about Kali 2024.2? First up, we've got updated tools. The hacking landscape is always changing, so Kali keeps pace. There are also improvements to the desktop environment, making it even smoother to use. Speaking of smooth, they've boosted performance under the hood. This means Kali runs faster even on older hardware. Plus, they've made it easier to find and install the tools you need. Before we install anything, let's make sure you're prepared. First, back up your data. Installing a new OS is a big deal, and you don't want to lose anything important. Next, you'll need a USB drive, at least 8 GB, or a DVD. This will be used to create a bootable image of Kali. Finally, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements. You can find those on the Kali website. Kali Linux comes in different flavors, each designed to cater to a variety of user needs and preferences. Each flavor is tailored for specific needs, ensuring that whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, there's a version that fits your requirements perfectly. You've got choices like Installer, which is the most straightforward and commonly used option. Then there's Live, which allows you to run Kali directly from a USB drive without the need for installation. And finally, there's Net Install, which is ideal for those who want to customize their installation over a network. The installer is the most common. It provides a full installation of Kali Linux onto your computer's hard drive, giving you a complete and robust environment to work in. This method is perfect for users who want a dedicated Kali Linux system, with all the tools and features readily available at their fingertips. Live lets you run Kali off the USB drive without installing it. This is particularly useful for those who need a portable and temporary solution. This is great for trying it out or using it on the go. You can carry your USB drive anywhere and use Kali on different computers without leaving any trace behind. Net Install is for advanced users who want to customize their installation over the network. This option allows for a more tailored setup, where you can choose exactly which components and tools you want to install. Pick the flavor that suits you best. Whether you need a full installation, a portable version, or a customized network setup, Kali Linux has a solution for you. Explore the options, understand your needs, and choose the version that will help you achieve your goals efficiently and effectively. Remember, each flavor of Kali Linux is designed to provide a unique experience, tailored to different use cases and user expertise levels. Take your time to explore and understand each option. And don't forget, the Kali community is always there to help. Join forums, ask questions, and share your experiences. The collective knowledge of the community can be a valuable resource as you navigate through your Kali Linux journey. So whether you're a cybersecurity professional, a hobbyist, or someone just starting out, there's a Kali Linux flavor that's perfect for you. Dive in, explore, and make the most of what Kali has to offer. Happy exploring and welcome to the world of Kali Linux. Section 5. Downloading your Kali image. It's like getting a fresh OS in a box. Head over to the official Kali Linux website to download the 2024.2 image. Choose the correct image for your system, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. I recommend using a download manager. It helps if your connection drops. Remember, this download might take a while depending on your internet speed. Section 6. Verifying your download. Safety first. You wouldn't want to install something sketchy, would you? That's why it's crucial to verify your download. This ensures that the image hasn't been tampered with. You can do this by comparing the checksum SHA-256 of the downloaded file with the one provided on the Kali website. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. There are tools available on the Kali website to help you with this step. Section 7. Creating a bootable USB or DVD. Let's get this party started on your computer. Now let's put that downloaded Kali image onto your USB drive or DVD. This creates a bootable media that your computer can run. There are a bunch of tools available for this, like Rufus or Balena Etcher. These tools are super easy to use. Just select your downloaded Kali image and the USB drive and you're good to go. Section 8. Booting into the live environment, test driving before installing. Alright, it's time to boot up your computer using the USB drive or DVD we just created. This will load Kali Linux into a live environment. This is like a test drive before you commit to installing it. You can poke around, test the waters, and see if you like it. If everything looks good, you can proceed with the installation. Section 9. Installing Kali Linux, making it your own. In this section, we will walk you through the process of installing Kali Linux on your system. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this guide will help you customize your installation to suit your needs. The installation process is pretty straightforward. Kali Linux provides a user-friendly graphical installer that simplifies the entire process. Kali uses a graphical installer that guides you through the steps. You'll choose your language, keyboard layout, and other preferences. The installer is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for anyone to follow along. One of the key steps in the installation process is partitioning your hard drive. This is where you decide how to allocate space on your disk for Kali Linux. If you're unsure about partitioning, don't worry. The installer provides helpful tooltips and explanations to guide you through each option. Kali's installer can do it automatically for you. This is especially useful for beginners who may not be familiar with disk partitioning. Just remember to choose the guided. Use entire disk option if you're new to this. This option will handle all the partitioning for you, ensuring that your system is set up correctly. This will wipe your hard drive clean and install Kali on it. It's important to back up any important data before proceeding, as this step is irreversible. Be careful with this step. Double-check that you have selected the correct options and that you are ready to proceed. Once you confirm, the installer will begin formatting your disk and installing Kali Linux. This process may take some time, so be patient. As the installation progresses, you can monitor the progress bar to see how much time is remaining. Once the installation is complete, you will be prompted to reboot your system. After rebooting, you will be greeted by the Kali Linux boot screen. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Kali Linux on your system. Now it's time to explore and customize your new operating system to make it truly your own. From here you can start customizing your desktop environment, installing additional software, and configuring your system to meet your specific needs. Kali Linux offers a wide range of tools and features that you can take advantage of. Whether you're using Kali for penetration testing, security research, or just as a daily driver, there are plenty of resources available to help you get the most out of your installation. Explore the documentation, join the community forums, and start experimenting with the powerful tools at your disposal. With Kali Linux, the possibilities are endless, so go ahead, dive in, and make it your own. Section 10. Troubleshooting tips. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, encountering issues is part of the journey. Let's dive into some common problems and their solutions. Running into trouble? Don't sweat it. It happens to the best of us. The key is to stay calm and methodical. Troubleshooting is like solving a puzzle. Each piece of information brings you closer to the solution. Here are a few things to check. Start with the basics and work your way up. Often, the simplest solution is the correct one. BIOS settings. Make sure your BIOS is set to boot from the USB drive or DVD. This is crucial for installing or running a new operating system. If your computer isn't booting from the correct device, it won't load the software you need. Secure boot. Disable secure boot in your BIOS settings if you're having trouble booting. Secure boot is designed to protect your system, but it can sometimes interfere with new installations. Disabling it can often resolve boot issues. Download errors. If you encountered errors during download, try using a different browser or a download manager. Sometimes network issues or browser settings can cause downloads to fail. A download manager can help by resuming interrupted downloads and ensuring file integrity. Checksum mismatch. Re-download the image and verify the checksum again. A checksum is a way to ensure that the file you downloaded is exactly what you intended. If the checksums don't match, the file may be corrupted, and re-downloading it can solve the problem. Still stuck? The Kali community forums are a great place to find help. Engaging with the community can provide insights and solutions from people who have faced similar issues. Don't hesitate to ask questions and share your experiences. The collective knowledge of the community is a powerful resource. Additionally, consider consulting official documentation and guides. These resources are often updated with the latest information and can provide step-by-step instructions for resolving common issues. Utilize search engines to find solutions. A quick search can lead you to forums, articles, and videos that address your specific problem. The internet is a vast resource, and chances are someone else has encountered and solved the same issue. Remember to take breaks. Troubleshooting can be frustrating, and stepping away for a moment can help clear your mind and provide a fresh perspective when you return. With patience and persistence, you'll overcome these challenges. Every problem you solve enhances your skills and knowledge, making you a more proficient and confident user. Happy troubleshooting. Section 11, wrapping up. Congratulations. You've successfully installed Kali Linux 2024.2. Now you have a powerful set of tools at your fingertips. Explore the new features, experiment, and learn. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use your newfound knowledge ethically and responsibly. Happy hacking, ethically of course. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my channel, Cyber Network.